Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language of the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the first icon down below, which is the home icon, and then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on languages, tap on app language, click on continue. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you should click on the last option in the preferred language section. And here, as you can see, there are many options that you can choose from, a vast variety of languages, so click on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. After that, the language of the application will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.